Welcome back. Cold and flu season is here, and along with a significant increase in COVID-19 cases, that means more patients are coming into emergency departments and urgent cares across West Michigan. Unfortunately, this has caused significant strain on these important services. So Spectrum Health is reminding everyone that other same-day healthcare services are readily available for non-emergency issues such as cough, sore throat, ear pain, maybe even a mild fever. Here to talk more about this is Dr. Philip Walkus, Division Chief of Family Practice, and Emily Welker, Director of Operations with Spectrum Health. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Could you tell us a little bit more about what same-day healthcare services exist other than those emergency rooms or urgent cares?
Yeah, absolutely. So if you need care right away, one of the best ways to reach us is by utilizing our virtual urgent care option, which is on demand 24/7. And we can assist patients in as little as 10 minutes or less, in most cases, right from your home. If virtual doesn't work for you, we also have walk-in clinics in many of our areas for in-person care, and they offer evening and weekend hours. Additionally to that, our primary care offices are offering more same-day appointments, also with evening and some weekend hours. So every office has 24/7 nursing support for any of your questions, concerns, and prescription refills too.
All right, let's go ahead and remind everybody once again what types of health issues can be seen during these visits.
I can answer that. Our walk-in sites and our virtual sites and the same-day options at the offices are equipped to take care of things like allergies, cough, cold, and flu symptoms, COVID symptoms, eye irritations, headaches, heartburn, bug bites, upset stomach, ear pain, rashes, sinus problems, sore throats, urinary tract infection symptoms, and even some pediatric conditions.
So this covers the gamut of age ranges, really?
Right. Our virtual care, it's the same providers, it's the same quality, all that you're used to getting in the live environment. The only difference is now we're able to deliver it to you in a more convenient manner.
Wonderful. And you talked about just a little bit making that virtual appointment again, and people might be listening at home and saying, you know, I keep hearing them talk about this. I really don't even know the first step of going about doing this. We've done it at our house. It was wonderful. So explain to everybody just the first step of even getting started with a virtual appointment.
Absolutely. So the Spectrum Health on-demand virtual care that I mentioned earlier can be accessed in just 3 easy steps. So you download the Spectrum Health app, you select on-demand virtual visit, and you'll be connected with a provider in that 10 to 15 minute window. But if you want to schedule a video visit for a time that works for you, you can do that also through our Spectrum Health app, or just call your doctor's office and ask for a video visit. And additionally to that, we offer e-visits through the Spectrum Health app, and this allows you to submit a questionnaire with your symptoms to your provider without even a need for an in-person or video visit. So it's like emailing with your provider.
And right now, you know, especially this week, a lot of people will be getting together with family. Maybe they're starting to have some of these symptoms pop up. Is it a flu? Is it cold? Is it COVID? How do people go about telling the difference?
Therein lies the rub. That is the challenge. Out of the gate, all 3 of these can look very similar. Differences would be things like the cold's going to come on more subtly, and it usually doesn't have a fever associated with it. Cold's always sore throat and a lot of upper respiratory symptoms. Flu and COVID, on the other hand, can come on more suddenly. They'll often both have fevers and chills. Cough is common with both. Both will make you really tired and make your body ache. Both will give you upper respiratory symptoms. Some differences between the two is that flu will often have a sore throat. It can happen with COVID and the current variant showing some sore throat symptoms. Shortness of breath is a differentiator. Shortness of breath is very common with a COVID infection, but not so much with a flu. Loss of appetite is pretty common with influenza. However, with COVID infection, it's not. More common with COVID is going to be that loss of taste, loss of smell. And for those who have not tried our virtual offerings, we would say this is a great opportunity. If you're struggling with these symptoms, the ER wait times are inordinately long right now, and we can get you into a virtual appointment in a matter of minutes.
All right. And when it comes down to COVID-19, where can people get those tests?
So there are several of COVID-19 testing sites available at area pharmacies, such as your Meijer, Rite Aid, Walgreens, and these really are the best places to go if you are asymptomatic or not showing any symptoms. There's also some at-home testing kits available, but walk-in COVID-19 testing is not available at any Spectrum Health site, including those emergency departments or urgent care locations. So you need to make an appointment. If you're experiencing symptoms, we encourage you to make an appointment through your MyChart, or you can call your doctor's office and they can help you too. We're really here to help you in any way that we can. And for more information on this topic or anything that we talked about this morning, you can visit Spectrum Health's COVID-19 Resource Center, and you can access that from spectrumhealth.org, and then just click on the COVID-19 information. And like I said, you can find out all of this information.
Wonderful. Thank you both so much. Very important topic to talk about right now. Thanks so much.
Sure. Thank you.
Absolutely. And again, just to reiterate what she said, learn more by going to healthcare services that you're going to find online. The difference between flu and cold and COVID-19, best place to get that COVID test as well. All the details, head to spectrumhealth.org. And I'm also going to put this information on fox17morningmix.com a little bit later after the show.